Is Qt framework pathing failed due to the qt5webkit DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for qt5webkit, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the qt5webkit, the qt5webkit engine. It manages unmanaged routines for rendering HTML content in applications utilizing the legacy WebKit layout manifest for cross-platform data links. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. qt5webkit is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the qt5webkit component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of qt5webkit DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing qt5webkit. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter qt5webkit critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help